channel. Let me say welcome to my channel.
Welcome to my channel.
See this one. Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much for tuning in today's video. We want to prepare Sobo drink. So guys, let me show you guys my ingredients, and in this Sobo I'm going to be using 4 ingredients. This is my first time making video with my little princess. Say hi guys. Mama, say hi guys. Okay, this is pineapple, and this is the main ingredient, which is the Sobo leaf. This is my Sobo leaf, and this is ginger and Coca-Cola flavor. I'm going to be using Coca-Cola flavor. You can go ahead and use your banana flavor, pineapple flavor, or any flavor of your choice. I'm going to put her down so that I will be comfortable to prepare. Take. Let me go and bring toys for you. Take. Look at your toys. Take. Okay, so guys, I'm going to wash my pineapple first so that we can start cooking. I have already washed the pineapple before, but I'll wash it again. This is my pot. I'll rinse my pot. This pineapple was in my deep freezer. It has overripe. Okay, so I'm done washing the pineapple. So guys, now I will add water. Okay, so guys, now I will wash my Sobo leaf. Okay, when you're washing your Sobo leaf, you have to be very fast, because immediately the color of the Sobo will start coming out. Just look at this. The water is already changing to red. Okay, so now I will wash my ginger. can peel your ginger if you want. You can put it like that. So I'm going to slice mine and put it without peeling it. But you make sure you wash it very well. So now I will cover it. It's time to cook our zobo.
Boss one.
Matches, I've been matches more. So I'm going to allow the zobo to cook very well. To cook very well before I add the flavor. Now let me go to my sweetheart. Me. She's playing with her toys. So guys, let's check our zobo. So this zobo has boiled for a long time. Now let me stir it. It has boiled for over 1 hour. Okay, so our zobo is ready. So now I'll put off the fire, and then I will allow it to cool down a little before I filter it. Okay, so guys, now let's filter the zobo.
Yeah.
So guys, now I will put the Coca-Cola flavor. So our zobo drink is ready, but it's still very hot. Mama, you're still waiting for zobo?
Yes.
You're still waiting for zobo?
Yes.
still waiting for Sobo.
And that's what it.
This is very nice. It's still very hot, so I cannot drink it right now. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Thank you. I should put it for you. I want to drink. It's hot though. It's hot. It's hot, don't worry, I'll give you here. Let me take it to the freezer so that it will get you very fast. My baby will drink. Say yay! Say yay! We are done! Let me say we are done!
Mommy, I brought the water.
Don't pour it.
It's a boil.
It's okay. No.